My name is Samee Hartman. I'm a combo welder. Initially, I wanted to do welding when I started, or when I was in high school. I saw the sparks fly and a gentleman came in. He was working on setting up some railing and pipe, and that I really wanted to do. But at the time, there were no funds or a feasible way of handling that or going into this field. Now I have the funds, so basically it's a lot easier. I'm preparing for anything that comes down the line. It's best to be extremely well-rounded, considering that at this point in time, yes, we're in a time of, quote, peace with the economy, with overall politics and everything else, but we are also on the brink of war. Welding is one of those occupations that no matter what happens, peace or wartime, you will always have a job because something has to be put together, whether it is infrastructure for buildings, putting together the duct systems, or you're building naval ships, bombs, warplanes. All of that has to be still conducted with welding. It cannot be done with a machine.
Hi, my name is Trevor, and I am a student at Welding, Nevada. Well, one day I was just decided I needed a career change, and I wanted to really do something with my hands. I didn't really want to do anything with computers. AI has been taking over everything, so I really just wanted to get involved and be a part of something bigger. So I was like, welding is a great career, obviously for our future and for my family's future as well. So I'm not really big on books, even though I do read a lot of books, but just sitting in a classroom and actually reading a book instead of getting hands-on was not my way of learning. I like to learn more hands-on and get physical and just get right down to it. Welding Nevada was the cheapest one I could find, which is also great. And it was also more of my style of like learning and like getting physical and hands-on with it. So that's why I chose Welding Nevada.
This school allows you up to a year to get what you need done, okay? They are also conducive. They will work with you. They understand that life happens, to put it plainly, okay? For example, for my own personal experience, I have a family member who went through breast cancer. Had to go through chemo, radiation, medicine, all of it during this whole time while I was doing this. Everybody in the family worked as a tag team, helped each other out, went through a divorce, had 2 children under the age of 5 to handle and everything else and take care of and make sure are well cared for. You do what you gotta do.
Coming in every day or whenever you have time, getting under the hood, you know, practicing how far you have to keep the arc, how, you know, like your timing. It's just repetitive, it's just constant, and you know, you never know, you might get addicted to it. It's like, it's really cool, it's really fun. You know, nobody bugs you whenever you're under the hood, like nobody talks to you, you're just in your own world. I mean, you know, you're in your own space, and I think that's really cool about it.
Do not worry, everybody started out somewhere on the line. Okay, some started when they were in their teens, others started much later in life. We've got guys coming in here that are in their 40s or 50s. Some come in because they want to do it as a hobby. For the most part, if you are serious and you actually want to learn, they are here to help you.
I was told if you want it, you want it, and if you don't, you don't. So, and Welding Nevada is open Monday through Saturday, I think even Sunday even. So I mean, if you have a day off or if you have time after work, you can always come in an hour or 2 after work. I know it's gonna be, it takes dedication, but I mean, if you want it, and you'll do it.